Hey everybody, Justin here again with Advanced Auto Clinic. I wanted to talk to you today about exhaust. It's something we do a lot of here. A lot of times we're able to do custom exhaust, stock exhaust, replace, repair, things like that. Today we have a vehicle in the shop. On this particular vehicle, this customer, you can see now his exhaust is exiting out about the middle of the vehicle and just turned down. Basically what he's looking for is we'd like to get these pipes out of the back of the vehicle, kind of come back here up over the axle and out into the back here and turn down. It's going to get the smoke away from the cab of the vehicle, a little quieter ride inside the vehicle as he's driving it. As you can see, this is a pretty modified vehicle in the back, so there's not a whole lot of options to order stuff, so this is going to be a complete custom system. Just an example of some of the things we're able to do. Some of the equipment that we're going to use to do that, we actually have right over here. This is our bender. Not only are we able to bend pipes on this, just kind of a quick example, just something we're able to do. Obviously we have our straight stock and we're able to make it do whatever we want in order to fit a custom application or a stock application to repair exhaust. We can also, using this machine, we can bend everything from 1 3/4 all the way up to 3 inch. And then we're also able to make different kinds of flanges, expand the end. You can see here this pipe is expanded on the end in order to fit over another pipe. And then we can weld it or clamp it, whatever the customer would rather have. We also use our own custom hangers that we have that are always welded, rubber mounted. They're a little bit more solid and rigid than just a regular rubber hanger, and they also last a good long time. Again, going back, for example, this is a customer here at a flange, obviously rotted apart. There's not a whole lot you can do to put a new gasket in there or new studs. There's not much left of it. What we're able to do in this case is actually make new flanges and just cut out sections to where we could get to a straight piece and weld new piece. So we're able to repair this rather than have to replace the entire sections on either side. Using this machine, we're able to have our flanges weld into the pipe and create new locations for the flanges and more or less repair it and saving a bunch of time and money on the overall cost. Another very common thing on exhaust is these flex pipes here. A lot of vehicles are having these now, typically towards the front of the vehicle. Very, very common leaks. Normally these flex pipes are actually a part of an entire pipe assembly that comes with the converters and everything. We're able to save lots of money, sometimes hundreds of dollars, in order with us being able to repair these or replace them without having to replace that entire section. With the flanges, what we're able to do, you can see this is actually a finished product that we had made where we were able to weld a new flange onto the pipe. This is something that we would use to more or less repair this situation here. Obviously we'd make another one for this side. Some of the other ones that are really common are the ball flanges, which using our bender here again, I'm going to show you quick how we can do that. It's just a piece of 2.5 inch pipe, and obviously the flange that we're going to need. Put this in here. See, the bender pretty much does all the work for us. Get back out. You can see that we expanded the end now. Put the flange back on. This is going to be for a lot of your GM style donut gaskets, similar to what we have here on this vehicle. By being able to do this, if you have a Y pipe that we need to replace or a section we need to replace, a lot of the times these rot out. We can just weld this onto your Y pipe rather than replace the entire assembly. Again, saving you lots of money. If you have any questions on whether or not something on your vehicle needs to be repaired or whether we can do it, simply give us a call here at Advanced Auto Clinic, 262-728-2944, or you can find us online at advancedautoclinicdelavan.com. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.